Hi and welcome to day 26 of Figuary. The idea is that you watch the daily guidance video here at Love Life Drawing and then go to the Croquis Cafe channel and do their daily practice session. So we like to use alignment a lot in our figure drawings, and by alignment I mean what lines up with a point vertically and what lines up with a point horizontally. Like in this pose, the ear lines up with the little bump on the ankle. You might already be doing this often during a drawing without realizing. Doing it consciously sometimes can help you build the skill so that you do it subconsciously too. If it's a longer pose, you can hold out your pencil or something straight to really see the exact points that line up vertically or horizontally. But in a shorter pose, there's no time, so you can just use your eyes. So we have a pretty good sense of horizontal and vertical in our eyes, I think, just built in. Like if I asked you to imagine some vertical lines or horizontal lines in front of you, I think you could with some degree of confidence. But if I asked you to imagine a 45-degree line, it might be a little bit trickier, and then it would be really hard to imagine like a 15-degree line. But we are good with those vertical and horizontal lines, so we're going to use that ability to help us get things in the right place in our figure drawings. Checking these lines is a good habit, especially for when you're unsure of what's going wrong in a drawing. Which lines you check depends on what you're struggling with and what's going on in the pose. But here are some that we often find useful. The vertical line down from the center of the collarbones. The line down from the ear. The vertical line up from the bump on the ankle, the line that runs across from one of the elbows. And the other useful thing is to check what's on each side of any of these lines. So this point here is actually off to the side of the vertical line coming down from the ear, and that's important to realize. So during today's practice session, especially in the 2 or 5 minute poses when you have a bit more time to get things in the right place, if there's a point that you're not sure where it should go, or you've put something down and it doesn't quite look right, try looking at what is on the line, the horizontal line that leads to that point, or the vertical line that leads to that point, and see if that helps you figure out where it should go. I hope you enjoy today's practice session. We're getting towards the end of Figuary, so well done, and I'll see you here tomorrow.